Hi, this is Steve. Welcome back to my channel, Scale Model Kit Review. I'm back with another installment of the Build the Willys MB Jeep by IXO Collections. Head over to IXO Collections and purchase this kit for yourself today. I put a link in the description below. It's only available as a full kit right now. So without further ado, let's get started. Welcome back to another installment of the Build the Willys MB Jeep by IXO Collections. This time I'll be working on stages 39 through 42. And the parts involved with this, for stage 39 we'll work on the fuel tank. Stage 40, the left seat. Stage 41, continue with the left seat. And stage 42, once again, the left seat. For stage 39, here's the parts list for the fuel tank, and you can find the parts in pack number 4. Let's get the parts and I'll be right back. Here's the parts for stage 39. Let's get a closer look. Here's a close-up of that fuel tank. It is made of plastic. Received a cap and a couple of bolts. I'll go ahead and cut off one of the bolts. The other one is a spare. Bring over the cap. We'll put that on. That just snaps down in. Go ahead and put the bolt on. There we go. Looks good. Now I'll bring over the interior floor. Bring over the bottom of the interior, and it's made of metal. And here's the fuel tank. I did end up super gluing these in place. This is basically going to go down just like that. It doesn't say to glue it in place or anything, so we'll play that by ear, but that's what that looks like. So that completes stage 39. Let's head over and do stage 40. For step 40, I start working on the left seat mounts, seat back, and base. Here's all the parts that were involved right there. Here's the parts for stage 40. You can find these parts in pack number 5. Here's a close-up of those parts. Here's the seat back, and you can see it's very nice. It's made of metal. And a panel here which is made of plastic. A couple of hinge brackets, they are made of metal, and DM screws. Bring over the seat, and this is the bottom panel for the seat. Go ahead and fit those onto these holes here, and they're a press fit in place. And that's how they look there. Next, we'll bring over one of these little metal seat brackets, and that's going to get inserted on the floor, just like that. And we're going to put a screw into it on the bottom side, one of the DM screws. And I went ahead and lubricated it. You definitely want to lubricate these screws, if not they could break off on you. That's good there. That's what that looks like there. Next, we'll put the other bracket over on the other side. just like that. We'll put a screw in on the bottom of it. Another DM screw. That's good there. And we're going to mount the seat. We'll put the gas tank back down here. And the seat itself is going to mount onto that bracket. I'm going to put a screw in that location right there. And another screw right there. Okay, so the seat has to be lifted up just a little bit for this screw to go in. And that's good there. And that completes stage 40. I did end up gluing down the gas tank, and that's what that looks like. Let's head over and get started on stage 41. Stage 41, I received the left seat back cover and some supports. The supports are optional. You can put them beneath your model to keep it raised over the ground. Here's the seat back, very nice. And it shows you in the picture where you want to put those stands. Let's look at the parts. Here's a close-up of those parts. Here's those stands, and they are made of plastic. Here's the seat back, very nice, made out of material. And 12 EM screws. And you can see here, if you look close enough, there's some holes drilled in to the cloth material, and they are going to mount to the seat back. And I'll show you a couple of them, and I'll do the rest off camera. So for the purposes of the camera, I went ahead and put a screw through it already, and it's going to go in that hole right there. And that's what that looks like there. I'll put the rest in and I'll be right back. And there they are, all installed. Just takes a little bit of patience to get them in. Do not over tighten them. They could break or strip out, so just be aware of that. Doesn't take much for them to engage, but they look great. So that completes stage 41. Let's head over and do stage 42, which will be the final stage for this video. Here's the instructions for stage 42. We'll continue with the left seat cushion. This is the bottom cushion. 2 screws were included, the HP screws. And this is a little more simpler to put in. Here's the part for 42. Here's a close-up of the part. Remember, you can find this in pack number 5 of your kit. And 2 HP screws. Bring over the cushion here, and we'll identify how this all plugs in to the seat. And you can see here it actually is designed to swivel up. So there's a peg or a pin on this side, and then the other side gets the screw. So we'll put the pin in on the back of the seat here, and then we'll put the HP screw in on the other side. There you go. Doesn't have to be very tight, but we want to be able to lift it up so we get access to the gas tank. Very cool there. I think it looks great. I'll be right back. And that completes this video. Had a blast building this. If you would like to get this kit, head over to IXO Collections and purchase your copy today. Right now it's only available as a full kit by IXO. I put a link in the description below on how you can purchase this, but it's a blast, and it's probably one of the largest Jeep kits you can get out there. Very nice. If you like my content, please subscribe to my channel and smash that like button. Happy modeling, everybody, and take care.